Hello everyone, I'm Sahil Tandikar, a third-year engineering student from JD College of Engineering and Management. Today, I'll be walking you through an interesting and very practical topic, blockchain in supply chain. Now, supply chains are something we all interact with, even if we don't realize it. From the food we eat to the gadgets we use, everything comes through supply chain. But traditional supply chains face many issues, like lack of transparency, counterfeits, and delays. That's where blockchain technology comes in, a modern solution that brings transparency, trust, and efficiency to the system. In this session, we'll explore how blockchain works in supply chains, look at some real-world examples, and understand the benefits and challenges. So let's dive in and see how this technology is reshaping the way products move from their source to our hands. A supply chain is essentially the journey of a product from raw materials to the final customer. Think about a chocolate bar. It starts with cocoa farmers, goes through factories where it's processed, then shipped via distributors, and finally reaches stores. So, it involves everyone in the production and delivery process, like suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers. For it to work smoothly, all participants must coordinate and communicate effectively, otherwise delays or mistakes can happen. Unfortunately, supply chains are often prone to inefficiencies, human errors, or even fraud, like fake products entering the system. This is why technology can make the supply chain smarter, faster, and more reliable, helping all players work together efficiently. Many supply chains today face a lack of visibility, meaning it's hard to know where a product is at any moment. This opens the door to counterfeit or unsafe products reaching the market, which is a huge problem in industries like pharma or electronics. Most of the processes are still manual and paper-based, causing delays in approvals, shipping, and tracking. Because of this, it becomes difficult to trace the origin of goods quickly when there's a problem, like a contaminated food batch. All these issues contribute to low trust between different companies, as no one is fully confident that the information they see is correct. Blockchain is a digital ledger system that records transactions in a secure way. It stores information in blocks that are linked together, which prevents data from being changed or deleted. Once a record is added, it becomes permanent and protected, making it very reliable. The information is shared across all participants in a decentralized network, so everyone sees the same verified records, reducing the need for intermediaries. By doing this, blockchain creates trust without needing middlemen, which is especially useful in situations where multiple parties need to rely on the same data. Blockchain is ideal for supply chains because it brings transparency to all participants, letting everyone see what's happening in real time. It allows businesses to track the path of a product from start to finish, which is crucial during recalls or audits. It also reduces fraud and counterfeit goods, since records can't be altered secretly. With smart contracts, verification is automated, so companies don't need to check everything manually. Overall, blockchain builds trust while reducing paperwork, making supply chains more reliable and efficient. In a blockchain-based supply chain, every action is recorded permanently, like keeping a diary that can't be erased. These records are visible to authorized participants, so everyone knows the status of products. Because the system allows no hidden changes in data, cheating or mistakes are very difficult. It also provides a full audit trail of the product's journey, showing exactly where it came from and who handled it. This reduces conflicts between partners, as the facts are open and everyone can trust the data. Blockchain can track food from farm to plate, which is especially important for perishable goods. For example, if lettuce is contaminated, blockchain helps identify exactly which batches are affected, instead of discarding all products. This reduces waste and financial loss, while ensuring safe food reaches consumers. By giving complete visibility, it increases customer confidence in brands since people know what they are buying is safe. Walmart already uses blockchain to trace leafy greens in seconds, a process that used to take days. Counterfeit products are a major risk in supply chains, from luxury handbags to medicines. Blockchain addresses this by recording the original manufacturer and product details in an unchangeable record. Customers can then verify the product's authenticity using QR codes or digital tags, ensuring they receive genuine items. This system protects the brand's reputation, as fake products cannot enter the verified chain. Many luxury brands and pharmaceutical companies now use blockchain to secure their products and maintain trust. Blockchain allows self-executing agreements called smart contracts. For example, a supplier delivers coffee beans and the system automatically releases payment once delivery is confirmed. This reduces errors and delays, which are common with manual verification. Because the system works automatically, there's no need for extra checks or paperwork. Smart contracts ensure fair transactions for all parties, improving efficiency and trust in the supply chain. Blockchain can track shipments in real time, showing exactly where goods are and their condition. This makes customs clearance faster, since all documents are digitized and verified in advance. It also reduces paperwork at ports, saving time and effort. With accurate, shared data, it improves coordination between countries and makes global shipping smoother. A real-world example is Maersk and IBM TradeLens, which digitizes shipping documents and tracks containers worldwide efficiently. Blockchain stores supplier certifications permanently, making it easy to check if they follow safety, quality, or ethical standards. It also prevents suppliers from making false claims, since records are verified. Over time, this builds trust between buyers and suppliers, as everyone knows the information is reliable. It also reduces risks when choosing new partners, because companies can see their history and compliance clearly. By connecting IoT sensors to blockchain, companies can monitor inventory continuously, including conditions like temperature, humidity, or location. Updates are visible to all stakeholders instantly, preventing miscommunication. This helps avoid stockouts or overstocking, keeping supply balanced. The system also reduces operational costs, as it minimizes waste, losses, and manual tracking errors. ABM Food Trust uses blockchain to make food supply safer. Big partners like Walmart, Nestle, and Dole are part of it. The system tracks food in seconds instead of days, which speeds up recalls and ensures safety. This improves food safety and reduces losses, while boosting consumer confidence because customers can trust that the food they buy is safe and properly handled. De Beers traces diamonds using blockchain from the mine to the store. This guarantees ethical sourcing, preventing conflict diamonds from entering the supply chain. The system records every step of the journey, which helps protect the brand's reputation. Customers can trust that their diamonds are genuine, making buying safer and more transparent. Blockchain gives clear visibility to all participants, so everyone knows what's happening. It allows fast and precise tracking, reducing mistakes and delays. This lowers the risk of fraud or fake products, ensuring reliability. It also reduces paperwork and costs, making operations smoother. Together, these advantages increase customer trust, as buyers feel confident in the products and companies. Blockchain implementation has some hurdles. The initial cost is high, which can be difficult for small businesses. It also requires digital tools and proper infrastructure. All parties need training to use the system effectively, and it can be tricky to integrate blockchain with existing processes. On top of that, regulations in some countries may slow down adoption or make compliance challenging. In the future, blockchain will see wider adoption across industries like food, pharma, fashion, and electronics. It will combine with AI and IoT, making supply chains smarter, predictive, and automated. Companies will get real-time visibility of products anywhere, enabling faster decisions. Trade will become fully digital and paperless, reducing costs and delays. Overall, this will increase trust in global commerce, making supply chains more secure, transparent, and efficient.